Hey guys, Google is gonna say
Mitre 10 Sparks 2025, one of Christchurch's most loved events. Mitre 10 Sparks is back, featuring the Christchurch Symphony Orchestra and dazzling fireworks. You don't want to miss it. Sparks is back again in 2025 with our epic partner, friends and one all together to celebrate the 42nd year of dazzling fireworks extravaganza featuring the Christchurch Symphony Orchestra. Gather up your friends and one all to enjoy a stunning string of lively tunes, both old and new, and soak up the Atortahi summer spirit. On-site food vendors will offer a range of yummy kai.
no, I just do my own food.
Here's everything else you need to know. This is a free, all-ages event entertainment from 6:30 p.m. and main show 7:30 p.m. Fireworks will start at approx 9:30 p.m. Bring a picnic or grab a bite to eat from the food trucks on site. Hagley Park op the Botanic Gardens. Please keep all animals at home for this event.
So I'm in the car, just back from the park with my friends off, some friends. No way. Hi guys, I got my friend here.
Hey guys,
How you doing with the content here?
loving the concert and loving every bit of it.
Me too.
Ai, eu sou, eu sou.
Thank you for watching. This is amazing Sparks in the Park. Friends, and I'll see you all in the next video. Hey!